Step 1 is to download the form. Click on the download form button present on this page. After that, click on download option present on the top right side of the page and then save it in whichever name you desire by clicking on the save button. Step 2. Open the saved admission form and fill all the necessary details. After filling the form, go to the file option mentioned on the top left side of the page. Now click on save. After filling the admission form, you have to pay rupees 1500 as the registration amount. You can make the payment either through online, check or cash. For online and check payments, details are mentioned on the screen. You can visit the school and make the payment by cash also. Step 3. To submit the online form, click on the submit button mentioned below on the left side of this page. A page will appear after clicking on the submit button, in which you have to fill all the necessary details. After filling the details, please attach the registration form, fee receipt, and all other required documents mentioned in the admission form. Then click on the submit button. Step 4. After submitting the admission form, our admission officer will get back to you within 2 working days. In case you do not receive any update in the given time, you can contact our admission officer on admissions@e-p-s.in or 786-96-25166. Thank you.